Hi everyone, I'm RZN and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I will be doing a recreation of this look that I found on Instagram. I really loved it and I thought I would try it out. If you want to know how I achieved this look, then please keep watching. First, I'm going to start off with my base. I always use Fenty Beauty's Pro Filter Hydrating Primer. Eventually, I'm not even going to have to say what products I use because I use the same products in every video because I never buy makeup. Rarely, not never, but rarely. I'm going to start with my eyes. I'm going to put some concealer on my eyes. Now I'm going to set that with some setting powder. Sorry if you can hear a ton of background noise. Everyone is just out and about in my neighborhood and I have some family over celebrating my mom's 53rd birthday. So again, I apologize for the noise. Now with my Maddie Ziegler palette, I'm going to be taking this green color. I'm actually going to be spraying my finger with setting spray. I have no idea if this is going to work. And then I'm just going to dip my finger in this color and oh god, I'm gonna put it in the corners of my eye. Kinda cute! I never usually add color to my makeup routine, so this is something new and different that I really love. And now I'm gonna take Latte. I wet my finger a bit with a baby wipe. Just gonna rub that in and then put it in the center of my eye. Now I'm gonna go back in with that same green color and I'm gonna put it in the outer corner of my eye and try to make it kind of look like a wing, I guess. Why is that way more pigmented? I'm just gonna go back in the middle. What the heck? I used to all this pigmentation. I'm gonna take a baby wipe and just cut a line, create a line right there for where my eyeliner is gonna go. Now with a clean blending brush, I'm just gonna blend in where the two colors meet. I'm gonna wipe under, it's like really on my nose, so I'm just gonna wipe that away. Honestly, even with simple looks like these, it's not so simple. Makeup is truly an art and I respect everyone who does their makeup, whether people consider it good or bad. Like just you doing it in general, props to you because it takes a lot of skill and a lot of patience. So good job. Now for the eyeliner, I'm gonna try my best to recreate what she did. I'm going to start off with a wing, work my way towards the inner corner and extend it a bit on the inside. That's cute. So far so good. Just for the sake of this video not being 2 hours long of me just trying to do my eyeliner, I'm just going to leave it like this. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. These are both eyes done. I did the best I could with the eyeliner. I think this one's a little bit thicker, but no, it's okay. That is it for the eyes. I'm just gonna finish the rest of my face and then you'll be able to see the look put all together. So everyone, this is the finished look. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you enjoy makeup tutorials such as this one, I will definitely do more because they are a lot of fun. I'm always up for new challenges. And please don't forget to subscribe as well. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!